What's up guys, Ackeem started here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this smart battery camera, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to show you guys all the features of this and how this basically works, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so today we are going to do the unboxing of this smart battery camera. So basically, as you can see on the box right here, this is what come inside, and this is basically used and solar. So on the box you can basically see some of the features that this basically has. As you can see right here, features that AI powered event detection and those things, personal notification, package notification, activity notification. So on the box, that's pretty much it, and all the features that it basically has. So as you can see right here, these are some more features that you can basically go through. So I'm going to unbox it right now so that you guys see what's inside the package. So as you can see right here, so as you guys can see right here in the package, we have this foam thing right here. I'm gonna remove that. And also we have a smart camera battery user manual, so you can basically go through this, put that to the side. So this right here guys is the solar panel. So as you can see, this comes also in the package. So I'm going to put that to the side for now. And also we have a USB cable, which is a USB, micro USB right here, as you can see. And also guys, we have some little socket thing right here also. And guys, here we have the camera right here, which is looking pretty neat. So the camera right here, I'm going to move to that in a bit. And guys, also in the package we have some little attachment right here, which I'm going to go through also. So guys, here we have the camera, which is looking pretty neat. So this attachment, as you can see right there, you can support the charging right here for the micro, and also we have a the USB connection for the micro, and also we have a memory card connection, and also we have a power button right here as well. So right here behind it we have a speaker, and also have an attachment where we can just attach this onto it right here. So I'm just attach it right now to just set it up. Alright, so now we have the camera set up right there. So now guys, we have a solar panel right here, which now hooked up. So these are the screws that come inside that can mount it on the wall. So this one is for the camera, and this one is for this right here, which can screw on the wall. And we'll just plug this right now into the bottom of the camera. So as you can see right there is a light flashing right here. What I'm going to do, you can scan this code right here to download the app, which can control it from your mobile phone. And guys, in this as well, if you don't want to use a solar panel to basically power this and you want to run it directly from your inside your power supply, you can always use these. So these are basically what we use to replace this one right here. So whereas that we have a USB connection right here, and we have a micro USB right here. So as you guys can see right here, the camera is now installed and on. Okay guys, so what I have done is there I installed the solar panel right here onto the rooftop, so you can get adequate amount of sunlight, and also it is shaded from the rain, as you can see right there. So I'm just gonna install it right now. I have furthermore hooked up my panel on the wall already, so as you can see. So I get this attachment, attach it to it, and let you guys see. So as you can see right here, this is a recording from the camera right here. As you can see, I'm waving right there, and this is just a recording from my mobile phone with the camera up right here. So it's looking pretty neat. So you can basically see the surrounding right there that the camera has been recorded. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. This is a camera app and it's looking pretty neat. So thank you guys for watching.